Then, were you surprised that you were relieved?
Sa tanong na kung kamusta ako, okay, andito, naghahanap buhay.
Okay. As to the nagulat ka of your relief or you disappointed over it?
So many things were said in the past days by other people. Pakinggan nyo na lang muna sila. I'm still composing my thoughts. I'm still composing my thoughts and I'll be making a statement in due time.
Sir, sabi nyo nahanap buhay. What do you mean by that, sir?
Pumasok ko sa Grab delivery, sa food delivery at nakatanggap ako ng message sa aking app at nakakita ako na birthday cake. So I delivered it. Nagkataon pala birthday ni Congressman De Lima. So nagulat ako na nadala kong cake sa kanya.
Sir, may offer daw sa inyong position.
Naki-happy birthday na rin ako.
Sir, may bagong position na in-offer sa inyo.
Let's just wait for the official announcement kung meron man.
Ano po, pero sir, tatanggapin niyo kung meron.
Let's just wait. Masyado namang naunang karwahe dyan. Pag tatanggapin o hindi, wala pang ang announcement kung meron man.
Pero na po kayo, Presidente.
Executive privilege, pwede.
Okay. Sir, you think yung pagtanggal sa inyo has anything to do with yung binawi na mga appointments mo?
I'll make that will be included in my statement in due time. Hindi sa ngayon.
Sir, anong pinag-usapan niyo ni Senator Laila? Ano po pinag-usapan niyo?
Ma'am, cake delivery po.